This goes out to all my DJT shareholders. Cue the intro.
Let's get ready to make some money.
Seriously, us DJT shareholders is feeling very good here this morning. Not only that, if you did catch yesterday's video and stayed to the very end to catch that gem on that easy money call option, let me make it bigger so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see this, but as you guys can see here, this call option was at $2.92 when we spoke about it. And with that being said, if we take a brief look and check things out on that call option here on DJT, as you guys can see here, it's currently going for $4.89, ultimately seeing a high of $5. Not only that, it was at a low of $2.85 here this morning, which means we did actually cross that $5 price target that we're looking for, but we're really looking for $5.50 here. And just to let you guys know, this thing doesn't expire until the 1st of November. With that being said, this thing does have more room to run, and like I told you guys before, easy money call option. Now, what we came to talk about here in today's video, of course, like I said before, if you did catch yesterday's video, then you already are aware of the short cover wave that DJT is currently in. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday's high short sell analysis pointed to a short cover wave taking place throughout today's trading day, and that's exactly what took place here. And if we take a brief look and just check out our capital trend, as you guys can see here, net inflow in favorment on the block orders. As you all know, anytime that we see outflow in favorment, it means more shorting than covering went on by institutions and or hedge funds. Seeing as though that we do see a flip here today lets us know more covering than shorting went on. But if we take a brief look and check out that intraday, we're going to keep our eyes out on this towards the end of the day so we can see at what price point and time shorts dug in, because I do feel as though that we're going to see a huge amount of short positions taken here before the day is over with. If you did catch yesterday's video, I let you know that this short cover wave can cause the stock to trade between the ranges of $28 and $30. It seems as though that we hit that at a sweet spot, and I feel as though that this $30 price target is going to be reached and breached here pretty darn soon here today. With that being said, that easy money call option is in the money and it has more room to run. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, I will be giving you guys another easy money option, and that easy money option is going to be for Palantir. So for any of you Palantir shareholders out there, this one is for you. Now, today's PCD is extremely high, ladies and gentlemen, and like I told you guys before, even though that this thing is continuing to move on overbought levels across the board, the reason why is because of the short cover waves backed by the anticipation of Donald Trump actually winning this election, which is only causing a lot of speculative buying rolling into DJT off of the retail side of things, and we're seeing those short positions fall on the wrong side of the fence each and every day. Like I told you guys before, if we do see nice buying pressure in the pre-market hours, we're going to put huge pressure on those short positions taken throughout the trading day being carried over from yesterday's trading, which is resulting into today's short cover wave, thanks to looking at the daily short sale analysis. And this tool you can find on Moomoo. Remember, using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone 15 free stocks that can value up to $2,500 each. Also, Moomoo does allow trading during the complete pre and after market hours, and that is key for retailers like you and I, due to the fact that the pre and after market hours sometimes offer the best buying and selling opportunities like you see here today. So with that being said, don't forget to use my sign up link in the description below. But far as DJT price target for tomorrow, seems as though that this thing will cross those $31 levels pretty darn easy, if not in today's aftermarket hours. But my end of the week price target for DJT sits at $37. Still sits at $37, depending on the price action heading into that $37, guys. We may raise it from there. But as of now, we do have a $37 price target for the end of the week for DJT, which means our easy money call option is only going to print even more money by expiration. And not only that, be looking out for the Palantir update here pretty soon, ladies and gentlemen. I will be dropping that before market close. Now, far as DJT's upcoming catalyst here, as you all know, it's just solely the election. I don't plan on holding DJT after the election, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a stable investment at all. This is just making for a wonderful trade. So with that being said, make sure you approach it as such. Now, heading into the election, this thing can get to astronomical prices. We can see this thing get to between $40 to $50. And the reason why I'm not getting the call option that actually plays through the election, because it's too risky. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if he does get elected, and we did actually go for the 1108, this thing can probably fly to triple digits. I'm talking like $120 just off of FOMO alone. And let's say shorts dig in deep the day before in anticipation that he loses, and then that is what you call a massive short cover wave. In fact, we may see a massive forced short cover wave, ladies and gentlemen, which can cause a swing cycle for a multi-day running situation. With that being said, I will keep you guys up to date each and every step, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.